Alright, we just got 2 new additions to the fam. Hey girls, got some friends in there. Yep, it's all good. Whoa. It's like, what is that? Oh, she's staring. You guys are hungry, aren't you? Let's go check out. Alan just brought these over. The girls are curious. Oh, come on, girls. It's okay. Come out. Yeah, I know. It's okay. Yeah, young chickens, aren't you? Little girls. I don't want to freak you out. Come on. Come on out. Crawl out. Here. This is how he brought them to me. Come on. Wow. They fit 2 chickens in this little box. It's okay. Come on. At least he didn't bring them. Okay, come on. There you go. Out you go. It's your new home. It's okay. There you go. It's okay. Gotta talk to them. They do not want to come out of this box. Okay, you could stay in. It's gonna be your nesting box, huh? Let's put you... over here. How's that? There you go. Hi. Hi. Okay, wow. Pretty cool. My ninja chickens. These chickens are gonna have ninja names because they totally sound like ninjas. So I can probably pull this light out because the weather's warmed up nicely. We're in the 50s and some days 60s, so I think from here on out we're gonna be good to go. Yeah, I know. You gotta come out. So I'll pull this out, make sure they have some food and water. Looks like we got an egg. Very nice. Yeah, this is where they roost at night. This is where they stay safe. Guess we're good, guys. Right on. So now we have 4 chickens. This is going to get interesting. Come on. Look at you guys. You guys are young. Look at you. Yeah, you're a good girl. Yeah. I'll give them some time to acclimate. These ones are going crazy. Like, what's going on in there? What's going on in there? They're veterans, these ones. Look at this beautiful egg. Pretty neat. Anyway, guys, I'm not sure whether to let them all hang out together. Probably. Look at them, they're curious. They're like, what's going on in there? What's going on there, Daddy? I know, it's crazy. No fear in these chickens. Look at them. Food, get me some food. Yeah. Alright. Come on, girls. Come on. Alright, so see if they came out. Come on, girls. Now you're hungry. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this box open. Oh. Come on. Come on. There we go. Yeah. New place. I wonder if I should just let them stay in this box as long as they want, right? 'Cause they're freaked out. They just came from the swap meet. These are swap meet chickens. He looks like he's gonna attack. She looks like she's gonna attack me. It's okay, baby. It's okay. Come on. So now we got 4 hens. I'll let you guys keep your box. It's okay. No fast movements. This is your new home. Ninja chickens. Alright guys, well, it's a wrap. Okay, here comes the others. Let's see how this works out. Chicken fight. Here's the battle. She's a little puffed up. Uh-oh, this might not end well. Who's up in my hood? Where's swap meet, fool? Swap meet. Okay. Show him the ropes. This is a hierarchy thing, I think. This one looks a little aggressive. She's a little aggressive. Look at her. I don't know. This could get weird. Uh-oh, here we go. Chicken fight. Look at the movements. Sure they got plenty of water. Uh-oh, here we go. Standoff. North Korea versus the United States. Rue is so big. Look at her. She's kind of fluffing up a little bit on us. I don't know. This is good though. It's the summit. God, this one's freaked out. Look how beautiful her feet are. Yeah, it's alright. Come on out. It's gonna get hot in that sun. I'll leave them that box. They'll find their way around. Oh, here comes Star. Star's making her move. She leads with Rue, because Rue's the bully, right? Oh, there you go. Uh-oh, it's gonna get interesting. Uh-oh, here comes Star. Uh-oh, here we go. Got some friends here. Oh, chickens. Okay, so we'll see what happens here. I hope they'll start attacking each other because I won't know what to do. Cool, good girls. Everybody get along. It's the Rodney King standoff. Can't we all just get along? Alright girls, I'm leaving. So you guys have the fort here. They're good. Oh look. Oh, they're roosting. Doing the roosting thing. Whoa. What you doing? Hey, hey. Don't be coming up on me, girl. Pretty cool. Oh, this one, it's rooster time. It's sure, wow, my girls haven't even done that yet. I think they're too fat now. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Uh-oh. Here we go. Wow. Beautiful. Don't do it. Don't do it, Rue. Be nice. She's like, it's red on red crime. Red on red crime. Yes. Hey, be coming up over here, girl. Get this pecking. Okay, they need water. Let me get them some water. Okay, watch out. Yeah, you're not too happy right now, are you? Here, you guys are staying in for the night. Give them a good welcome. I'll pour you guys some fresh water. There's the fighter jets. There's 2 of them, see them? So Rue just tried to start pecking this new chicken in the head. I hope that, whoa, oh look, Rue just decided to sit down right now. I don't know what she's doing. You laying an egg? What's going on with that? What's up with that pose? She's in the gangster pose. She's set tripping right now. This is not good. She says she pecked that the new chicken in like the head, and I was afraid she was gonna peck her eye out. But Rue's over there doing like a gangster pose, like the gangster. I've never seen her do that before. I don't know what's up with that. Okay, she just popped up. Bizarre. Welcome to Chicken Land. So one of the chickens is up on the perch, which is good. She's acclimated. This one's just kind of tied to her box. Rue's set tripping. Star is just like back up. And Star actually tried to peck me, believe it or not. I had to beat her down. Don't you come up in here. Oh, here we go. Oh my gosh. Hey, hey. Stop set tripping. You got plenty of food. Give our girls a warm welcome.